It says simplify the expression and enter the exact answer. And then it says to enter square, you use quote SQRT. But actually there's an easier way to do that, and I'll show you that in a second. But we are taking the square root of 64x to the fourth. Now you can split that up and look at it as the square root of 64 and the square root of x to the fourth. The square root of 64 is 8. Now, for this, the square root of x to the fourth, that is technically an x squared times an x squared, which is also an x squared squared. And you're square rooting that. So if you have square root and x squared squared, this square root sign and this squared right here cancel each other out. Sorry, I kind of went at an angle there. And then all you're left with is the x squared. So my answer is actually 8x squared. That's my answer. Now I'm going to jump back to Mobius. And do you see how you've got, here's the answer box, but I've got this little sigma symbol here. If I click on that, this is going to give me some options for typing in my answer. So since it was 8x squared, I'm just going to hit that, type in an 8, and then an x. And then if I hit the A to the B button, it gives me some options. I want an exponent, so I'm going to click on that. Oh, whoops. Okay, so sorry. Where the A is, I want the x, and then I have to go back and delete that other x because I didn't mean to do that. So let me start over. Delete. Okay, so it's going to be 8, and then I want an x squared. So don't type the x yet. Hit A to the B, and then A raised to the B. I want that choice. And then where the A is, see how it's highlighted in blue? Just hit X and it puts the X there. And then use your arrow button to scroll over and up, and then delete the B and type in a 2. And then go up and ask, how did it do? And I got the green box. Woohoo! And that's it.